I don't know about you, but I couldn't afford some of the prices I've seen for lights for my lathe. So I had to find a different solution. Hi there and welcome to WB Fun Woodworking. I'm Don. Today I have a short video about this light that I bought for my lathe. It was very inexpensive and I found it to be handy on the lathe. I decided to buy this light because I had a lot of different projects that I wanted to turn on the lathe and I thought I'd see if it was handy. I had seen similar lights on the lathes of other turners. This light was considerably less expensive than some of the lathe lights that I've seen offered by lathe supply stores. I got my first chance to try out this light when I was turning the handle for my coffee scoop. Although I have abundant light in my shop coming from the ceiling and in through the window, I did notice a difference in the brightness of the light on the lathe. It did help when I was turning this coffee scoop handle. As you can see here, as I was using my chisels to turn this piece, I had the light directly above. Since I was also using my iPhone to record from above, I pushed the light out of the way so it wouldn't get in the shot. Usually the light is a little lower to the piece. Where I really found this light to be handy was when I was sanding. As you can see here, I moved the light to the end of the lathe so that the light could rake across the surface of the spindle that I was turning. This position of the light helped me to see the shadows of the scratches that were left by my tools as I turned this handle. Here you may see shadows of some of the scratches I was trying to sand away from this piece. There were times during this sanding process that I repositioned the light so that I could get a better view of the scratches that I was looking at. Oh, and by the way, you might notice I'm using something different than sandpaper. This is Abernet mesh that's made by Mirka. It's really good for sanding on the lathe. I'll do a video on it too. You can see some very visible scratches on this piece where I didn't do a good job with my spindle gouge. So it took me a while to get them out with my 80 grit Abernet mesh. If you're interested in this dust collector from Rockler for the lathe, check out my video. I'm getting closer, but there's still some shadows, so I need to get busy and finish it up. While I've been using the light on the lathe, it can be used on any other tool that has a surface that this magnet will stick to. The little switch here is easy to turn off and on, and it has 30 LEDs that are very bright. In fact, I probably shouldn't shine them into the camera. So if you're looking for an inexpensive light for your shop, something like this would really be good. I'll leave a link in the description below on the light that I bought. It's just a sewing machine light. There are a lot of them on Amazon. I just picked one that I thought looked good. Well, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up down below. Please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so you can get notifications of other videos that we have. And thank you all very much for watching.